Hello! Kamusta? Alam mo ba na makakapagsimula ikaw ng bahay at lupa o investment property mo sa halagang 2,368 pesos to 5,000 pesos na monthly down payment?
Wow!
Yes, you heard it right. Kung gusto mo itong malaman, you must watch this video. Hi everyone! It's Olive again for another house quick tour for today. I'm here now in Palmdale Village by Apex Homes. It's located at Barangay Concepcion 1, Sariaya, Quezon Province and along National Highway lang ito. Kung ikaw ay isa sa mga matagal nang nangungupahan, nangangarap magsimula sa simpleng tahanan, gagawing parentahan o pinapaalis na ng biyanan, char! Perfect itong socialized townhouse unit natin para sa iyo. Yes! Makakapagsimula ikaw dito sa halagang 2,368 pesos to 5,000 pesos na monthly down payment. Payable for 23 to 28 months to pay. And from Pag-ibig Financing naman is 3,902 pesos na monthly amortization, payable for 30 years to pay. At dahil bird type ang turnover unit natin dito, ikaw mismo ang masusunod sa layout at design ng iyong bahay. And welcome home sa Apex Homes. Free site viewing here. Follow me for more.